Hey people, it's me Eco Chick, and I'm really excited to share with you one of my favorite ideas and stories. If the Earth were a few feet in diameter. And diameter is a math word, and it means the distance across a circle. And the Earth is a sphere, but thinking about if we could hold it in our hands and see every part of it, what that would be like. This story is by Joe Miller. The artwork is by Wilson McLean. And it was written quite a long time ago. And so here we go. If the Earth were a few feet in diameter, if the Earth were a few feet in diameter, floating a few feet above a field somewhere, people would come from everywhere to marvel at it. People would walk around it, marveling at its big pools of water, its little pools of water, and the water flowing between. People would marvel at the bumps on it and the holes in it. They would marvel at the very thin layer of gas surrounding it and the water suspended in the gas. The people would marvel at all the creatures walking around the surface of the ball. And at the creatures in the water, like salmon. The people would declare it as sacred because it was the only one, and they would protect it so that it would not be hurt. The ball would be the greatest wonder known. And people would come to pray to it, to be healed, to gain knowledge, to know beauty, and to wonder how it could be. People would love it and defend it with their lives because they would somehow know that their lives could be nothing without it. If the Earth were a few feet in diameter. And so think about that idea that if the Earth were a few feet in diameter and we could hold it in our hands and see all the things that are happening everywhere on the planet and what some people that don't live near us are going through. And many of the things are due to the things that humans have done and a crisis that we're facing on the planet called climate change. And so there's a lot of things that we can think about doing to help our planet and all the living things and living systems on that planet that we all share, called Earth.